Hello, my name is Jim Kelly. I'm an ATP pilot and a licensed insurance agent in multiple states, protecting pilots and owners from health disability disasters. Qualified and experienced pilots are in high demand. Salaries are rising, but what about disability benefits for pilots? Do you have coverage to protect yourself? If you get grounded, the money stops, but the bills don't. In the U.S., nearly 1 in 5 people will become disabled for more than a year before reaching age 65. As many as 1 in 20 pilots will become disabled every year. A sudden disability impacts your whole life, from your income, family, and home, to the bills you have to pay, the things you own, and how you spend your time. Pilot disabilities also impact the operator, can require filling contract pilots, ongoing salary for the disabled pilot while he's unable to fly, may require additional crew training. Other pilot schedules and time off may be affected, can create unplanned out-of-pocket expenses, and for the operator can potentially miss trips or even have to ground aircraft. Disability insurance pays up to 70% of a pilot's lost income when needed, protecting both the pilot and the operator. How much does disability insurance for pilots cost? What you need to know is the basic coverage breakdown. 3 disability coverages work together. The first 6 months of a disability, followed by the next 48 months coverage, and then potentially a lump sum catastrophic benefit should a pilot lose his or her license permanently. Here's an example, a 40-year-old pilot. The first policy for the first 24 weeks of disability can receive up to $1,500 of weekly income. Premiums are based upon the length of the waiting period. The shorter the waiting period, the higher the premium, and the longer the benefit in the 6-month period. After that 6-month period comes the second policy, which can cover up to 48 months of ongoing income. So a 40-year-old pilot can receive up to $6,000 a month for up to 48 months. The longer the benefit period, the higher the premium. So combined together, the first policy and the second policy, for less than $260 a month in premium, a pilot can receive tax-free benefit amount between $1,500 a week in the first 6 months of a disability and up to $6,000 a month in the second policy for an additional 48 months. Now, this premium can be paid by the pilot, the operator, or by both. There's also an optional additional lump sum benefit up to $250,000. So for $68 a month, a pilot can have a protection of $100,000 paid directly to them should they have a permanent loss of license. That's a tax-free lump sum benefit. All these benefits stay with the pilot. So that means it moves from employer to employer, operator to operator. So what's your strategy? Call today for a free quote. We also offer health and life insurance and provide pilot staffing solutions to flight departments and for pilots. Have a great day.